Move. Fuck.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. 392 with beauty, beating that gas, that thing up. 392 with beauty, beating that gas, that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah. She turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty, beating that gas, that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty 392 B here with the B. It is a sad day, y'all. I never thought I would have had to make a video like this. Never thought I would have had to make a video like this, but things happen in the car scene. You know, things are never guaranteed. I'm just glad that, you know, I'm safe. Mr. B is safe as well. So, yeah, let's get into this video.
I told you.
Oh my fucking god. Oh shit, Ferb. Oh my god.
Yeah, Pop? Alright, cut it off.
Oh my god.
The next morning.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in disbelief. Can we raise up the hood, please?
Sure.
Thank you. This is crazy. Yeah, that belt is ate up. It looked like my motor is leaning. I know I'm not tripping, am I? I was looking at that.
This ain't nothing. That's gonna unbolt and they gonna move out. They can put another piece. This ain't nothing but plastic right here.
Oh god. And this is the connectors for my lights. Coolant leaking. All that. Oh. Damn, the headlight cracked. The whole seal broke. Damn. Damn. What the fuck is this? Like, where's the rest of this?
In the front yard.
And then you take this off and it's even more damage under here. I wish you would. I wish you would pitch anything off of her. You know, people have sentimental values to their car. Now, why would you do that? I want to see if we could turn it on and see if it still runs. I'm going to get the keys, okay? It is. Yes, it is. Damn. Take what apart? I mean, it starts. What's that smell? Because the coolant is gone.
Damn, that bitch on the assembly, that's why.
No airbags deployed, so yeah. Remote start canceled. I was literally going to wash her today. Well, yeah, today I would have went and washed her, but I can still drive it. Sometimes it has trouble shifting, so I don't know. You said I can't drive it?
No, because
No, but I'm saying when we got it off the tow truck and put it
but
up here, you drove it up here. What is that?
Plastic.
Watch out. Let me see.
You see from the fans? The
Yeah.
fans is literally pushed onto this shit.
Okay.
So you don't want to drive it. You're just tearing it up now.
Gordon.
You're recording.
Oh, this whole fender. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can still save these. This is my fog light. I had to pick it up and tie it. I don't even have the fucking ring to go on the light. Oh my God, what did I do? I'm about to get my neighbor to come in. He has a body shop. I just want to get like a second pair of eyes, like before, you know, I really make any major decisions on what, you know, I want to do with her. So, yeah.
You got some lights underneath this bitch on them lights.
Yeah, that's all the changing color lights.
They're gonna change your radiator, your bumper support.
Okay, so it's some hope to save her.
Yeah, they gonna save it.
Cause I was looking at this like, what the fuck?
Yeah, your radiator support crack.
Okay.
Yep. So they're gonna change this whole piece. The headlights. It's gonna be probably, I guarantee you, about a $10,000 estimate.
I hit it right on the mark.
Yeah. You did not hit it on no more.
I said 15. I would be a
At
night.
least 10.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be fixed.
I'm about to get her towed to late garage. I'm gonna go through late, see what he can do for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Bee towed to Late's garage. She's gonna go ahead and handle everything for me as far as with the insurance and stuff. So nobody was hurt in this accident. I was able to walk away that same night. Mr. B was able to walk away. And we're okay, that's all that matters. You heard, boy. You heard?
No.
Oh my God. I'm still in good spirits because I know God got me at the end of the day. I just wish it was the same for the Bee. So I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video, like sitting down and actually like talking about what happened, how it happened, what was I doing, and also like getting it towed to the shop as well. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Hopefully they don't total it out. I would love to keep the Bee. Let me know in the comments if you guys think it's totaled out or is it even worth even trying to repair. Just let me know. Until then, y'all stay safe, stay dangerous.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.